So there are 5 toxic mindsets that you must eradicate. Number 1, you must eradicate nomadic mentality. Nomadic mentality. Now, nomads are like cattle rearers and cattle grazers. They go from place to place. What's a nomadic mentality? A man, a woman, or an individual with nomadic mentality is not fixed. They go from place to place. Just like nomads. You see the nomads, they take all their cattle and then they move from one part of the country to another part of the country. And guess what? As they are moving around, they are eating everything they did not plant. They are destroying everything they did not erect. And they don't have any fixed assets on the ground. They're just moving from place to place. So a nomadic mentality will hinder you because you find yourself moving from job to job. There are many of you sitting down here right now. You have spent 15 years in the marketplace. But in the last 15 years, you have done 15 things. If you have spent 5 of those 15 years being focused on your area of strength, you won't be where you are today. So nomadic mentality is jumping from place to place, listening and listening well. I'm so convinced that if you discover purpose and you find your passion and you know exactly what you need to do and you give 5 years of concentrated attention to that, you will succeed. But the problem is when we give 1 year and we don't see results, we go to something else. So many of you are sitting down here right now. If I ask you how many things have you done to make money, there'll be a whole page. You have done barbing salon. They say no. It's this one that is ready now. You join them. You are jumping from place to place like someone with a vagabond spirit, and you are wondering why nothing is working. So number 1 is what? Nomadic mentality. Today you have a barbing salon. Before we get used to you as a barbing salon owner, you have become a perfume seller. Tomorrow you are selling perfume. Before we know you are somebody selling perfume, now you are in travel and tours. Now you are in travel and so you find out that you are just jumping. It's a nomadic spirit. It's a mindset that does not make people to succeed, jumping from job to job, career to career. And because you have that spirit, it affects your job. You are sitting down in a company and instead of you giving the best to that organization, you are using their Wi-Fi, you are using their laptop to apply to job in another company. How can you succeed? How? So you are here but you are not here because your mind is somewhere else. I used to have a guy that was working with our organization and he was working with us and he did not know that I know. This guy will just be complaining, this place salary, or God does not believe in salary. He will just be complaining. 1 year, nothing changed. 2 years, he will be applying to job, using my computer to apply for job, using my Wi-Fi to apply for job. After 3 years, my GM came to me. I said, you know what? Let me help him. Go and call him. So I sat him down. I said, I know what you have been doing for the past 3 years. I said, but has anything worked? I said, give this organization 1 year of your undivided attention and just believe me when I tell you that's what to do and you'll see results. In 1 year, he became not just a valuable staff to himself, he became someone that now had 2 cars in 1 year. He didn't steal money, 2 cars in 1 year. And he put the cars out for transportation. When the money from the transportation business started coming, he had to resign to face his own business. That was somebody that was jumping from one place to the other before. Number 2, consumer mentality. You need to eradicate consumer mentality. A lot of us are where we are today because we are consumers. Ask yourself, all the money that came into your life last year, where is it? Many of you sitting down here right now, you have handled 10 million before. You have handled 100 million before. You have handled 1 million before. You have handled multiple millions before. But where is the million now? You kept consuming, you kept consuming, you kept consuming. We hear of first world, second world, third world nation. The creator did not create different nations. The creator did not create different worlds. There is only one world. But why are some nations called third world nations? They are called third world nations because they are consumer nations and they are not producer nations. When you are more of a consumer than a producer, you relegate yourself to the third dimension of nations. So you've got to make up your mind. I don't want to just be a consumer anymore. Every money that comes to you are just consuming. Many of you are sitting down here right now. You have 3 mobile phones like a 419. 3 mobile phones, yet you don't have any shares in any of those companies. You say, I want to buy this one, I want to buy Samsung, I want to buy iPhone, I want to buy this, I want to buy. You are buying phone. Why are you buying it? All you do with the phone is to make calls. And there are over 36 things the phones can do. You've never done anything with that. But yet you want to buy a phone of 300,000. Ordinary half plots you don't have. Your grandfather was a tenant, your father is a tenant, now you are a tenant. You are saying it's a generational curse. It's not a generational curse, it's a generational choice. So you've got to leave that realm of just being a nomad. Move from nomad and move into investment mentality. Don't be a consumer. Nino lowo. It ends in shame. There are people in this world that have made so much money, but when you look at them today, the money is nowhere to be found. We know of many people that are celebrity beggars. They used to make money, they are everywhere, but when they are sick, ordinary one kidney problem, they are raising 2 million online. Where are all the millions they have made? Something has gone wrong somewhere. Number 3, victim or entitlement mentality must go. If you are going to become wealthy and develop investment mentality, you must eradicate victim and entitlement mentality. Nobody owes you anything. It's your life. What is the government doing? What is the... Let me ask you a question. All the money you have made, has Buhari ever come to collect money from you? So who spent the money? You. So why are you blaming people for what you have acquired? So make up your mind. I'm not going to be a victim anymore. It's because I'm a youth. There are youth making it. It's because I'm a woman. There are women making it. It's because I'm a minority. There are minorities making it. It's because I'm an orphan. There are orphans making it. There is no excuse you can give that can be tenable in the world of wealth creation, because excuses are trademarks of failures. When people succeed, they blame themselves. When they fail, they blame their lecturer. They say the lecturer failed me. So you've got to do what? You've got to make up your mind to eradicate what? Victim mentality. You are not a victim, you are a victim. Number 4, you have to eradicate salary mentality. You have to eradicate salary mentality. Salary is synonymous with slavery. There is nothing wrong earning salary, but please don't die there. There's nothing wrong earning a salary, but please make up your mind that you are not going to spend all your life earning salaries. Your grandfather worked in Nigerian Railway. Your father worked in Nigerian Airways. Now you are in Nipos. It's not a generational curse, it's a generational choice. So you've got to make up a salary mentality. Salary. In Yoruba they call it salary. You are just looking for 30 days, make one pay. No. Rich and wealthy people don't become rich and wealthy by earning salaries. So if you are earning salary, there's nothing wrong in that, but you've got to make a plan on how you can get out of that realm. And number 5, you have to eradicate materialism mentality. Most of what we call prosperity today is materialism corrupted. Many people are poor because their mindset is all about materialism. You want to blow, you want to buy house, you want to buy car. Have you forgotten all the people that make money? All the Yahoo's boy, Yahoo's, all the Yahoo's, where are they today? Where are all the people that made money? Where are they today? Hello? Where are they today? So you've got to tell yourself, I'm not going to be into materialism mentality. Just acquiring things. How do you explain it? That you are renting a house for 8 million per annum as a tenant, and you park a 12 million naira Jeep in the front of a 8 million naira rented apartment. Who did this to you? Who did this to you? In Lagos today, the illiterates are the landlord, the educated ones are the tenants. Who did this to you? And your landlord is calling you Oga tenants. How can you park a 12 million naira car in a rented apartment and you don't know that something is wrong with you? Who did this to you? Materialism mentality. You want to buy 3 cars, you want to buy 5 cars, you want to show them false prosperity, package going nowhere. Many people today are like penguins. You remember penguin? Penguin is a bird that wears tuxedo with bow tie and is not going anywhere. So you see a lot of people package everything artificial hair, artificial eyelashes, artificial everything. Ordinary half plot you don't have. Listen to me, you are not what you wear, you are what wears you. You are not what you drive, you are what drives you. You can buy a lot of things with money, but there are many things that money cannot buy. Money can buy you a bed, but it cannot buy sleep. Money can buy you a house, it cannot buy you a home. Money can buy food, it cannot buy the appetite to eat. Money can buy you a woman, but it cannot buy you a wife. Money can buy you a designer suit, but it cannot buy you the fitting and the courage to carry the suit. So you've got to understand that materialism is part of the reason. Why do you want to prosper? I just want to have money. I just want to blow. I just want to show that you will not have it all. The only way to have money is to be willing to give, is to be willing to share, is to be willing to raise, is to be willing to impart. You make money when you offer values. So let's move on. So what then? Once we eradicate this mindset, what then is investment mentality? An accurate definition and understanding of investment mentality will help you to develop it. I give you 3 definitions. Number 1, investment mentality is a mindset that is concerned about the multiplication of all that you have. Investment mentality is a mindset that is concerned about the multiplication of all that you have. So what does it mean to have investment mentality? Every time money comes into your hand, you are thinking of how to multiply the money. The thought of the diligent tends only to plenteousness. So when you have 10,000, you are thinking, how can I turn this 10,000 to 30,000? When you have 1 million, you are thinking, how can I turn this 1 million into 3 million? But those that do not have investment mentality, when they have money, the first thing that comes to their mind is, let's consume it. Okpeo, I'll be able to buy that shoe. Okpeo, I'll be able to buy that eyelashes. Okpeo, I'll be able to buy that shoe. So you find out that because people don't have investment mentality, when money comes, instead of multiplying the money, they consume the money. They consume the money. So they say, one careless money came into my hand last week. There are no careless money, only careless people. So number 1 is what? It's a mindset. It's a mindset that is concerned about what? The multiplication of all that you have. Once you begin to think of what to do with the money, to multiply the money, creativity flows, inspiration flows, opportunity begins to come around you. Your eyes begin to open up. Do you know that when you make up your mind that you are going to buy a Toyota Camry red, a red Toyota Camry, the very minute you make up your mind you want to buy a red Toyota Camry and you desire to buy a red Toyota Camry, what happens? You will start seeing red Toyota Camry everywhere. Why? Because that's the way your mind works. Your mind is the engine of your destiny. So in your mind, if you are thinking, how can I multiply money? The very minute you start thinking like that, you'll be seeing different advert that has been existing that you did not see. You'll be seeing things in the newspaper that you did not see. You'll be hearing things. When you go online, your consciousness opens up to a different portal. Why? Because you now have the right kind of mindset. Number 2, investment mentality is a mindset that is concerned about the acquisition of assets and not liabilities. Investment mentality is a mindset that is concerned about the acquisition of assets and not liabilities. You are poor or rich depending on whether you have assets or you have liabilities. What's an asset? An asset is anything that appreciates in value and brings cash flow into your life. What's a liability? A liability is anything that depreciates in value and takes money out of your life. So you need to ask yourself, am I acquiring assets or am I acquiring liabilities? Many people are poor today. Why? Because every time money comes into their hand, they convert their money into liabilities, all in the name of fashion. They convert their money into liability, all in the name of branding. They convert their money into liability, all in the name of packaging. Listing and listing well. No matter how much you package a dead body, it will smell. It's only a matter of time. So you've got to make up your mind. You are sitting down here right now. Many of you, your bungalow is in your wardrobe. Your bungalow is in your wardrobe. You are bag and shoe to match, yet your destiny is not matching your bank account. And then you are wondering, last year alone you have spent 2 million on Christmas holiday. 1 plot you don't have. Your grandfather was a tenant, your father is a tenant, now you are a tenant. He said it's a curse in our village. It's not a curse, it's a generational choice. It's a generational choice. You've got to make up your mind that what they did not do, I will do. What they did, I will do differently. Make up your mind. Begin to acquire assets. Now they are telling you, come and buy land, come and buy this, and many of you will just be sitting down there. Are you sure? That's what you said 11 years ago. See where your life be 11 years later. So you got to make up your mind. I want to acquire assets. Some of you, the money they are telling you to drop now, you have the money. I will never forget Bimbo as long as I live. Bimbo was my account officer in GTB in 2003. When I went to Bimbo to introduce to her our real estate in Ikorodu, I told her, Bimbo, Martin Tale, Pastor Tale said, real estate company, 200,000 Ikorodu, 200,000. Bimbo looked at me and said, Pastor, 200, I'm going to velo London, no, velo summer. And Bimbo refused to buy the land of 200,000. I said, Bimbo, this is an opportunity for you to own land. You are not married, you are a young girl. This land, you already have the money, the land is real. Buy it, you'll be amazed. 5 years time, 10 years time, things will change. Okay, let me go and think about it. Bimbo never bought the land. 2 years later, the land had become 800,000. I was talking to Bimbo about helping us to market. He said, which land is this one? I said, you could research. Is it not the one you told me? I said, yeah. I said, it's not 800. He said, 800? He said, Kedema, whoa. She now started telling me this. So he said, the London she went to with that money, that she landed in London, 2 days later she fell sick. She was on drugs and being treated for like 10 days, and she only spent 2 extra days to relax before coming back. So the London was a useless journey. By the time I met her 2 years later, she was still not owning a plot of land. So listen and listen well. When you have investment mentality, every time you see an opportunity, every time you see things like this, you grab it. Number 3, what's investment mentality? Investment mentality is a mindset that is concerned about bringing you to a level in your life where you will no more work for money, but money will work for you. There's nothing wrong working for money, but don't die there. Why? Because your active life, the active season of your life is not forever. There's coming a time when you will not be able to run and jump and do all the things you are doing right now. So wisdom demands that as you begin to make money, you move into a realm where you are no more working for money, but money begins to work for you. Now think about it. I'm standing before you right now. In the last 4 or 5 years, our company has gone through a lot of crisis. Why? Because the economy has affected a lot of things. But you know what? Regardless of all the crisis we have gone through, all the real estate we have in billions are still there, appreciating. Just there, just appreciating. One of the reasons why I'm able to be where I am today is because I have put systems and structures in place. Properties, rental income in different dimensions, different streams of income. So no matter how bad things are, if this one will not work, this one will work. So you need to understand, I just came in from Benin today. I know how much I made. It was just in one session. I'm here now. I'm not here for money, but I will make something. Because my books are out there. School of Money is out there. Pathway to Wealth is out there. Real Estate Park is out there. My products are out there for you to buy. Once I leave here now, 7 o'clock, I'm on the flight. I'm going to Ghana. 3-day School of Money conference. 3-day School of Money conference. By the time I come back again, money. So how do you do it? It's because you have put systems and structures in place. So investment mentality is a mindset that is concerned about bringing yourself to a level where you will no more work for money, but money will work for you. So how do you know, as I begin to close, how do you know whether you have investment mentality or not? Just answer one question. What do you do with your money? When money comes into your hand, what do you do with it? There are only 3 things you can do with money. Number 1, you can waste it. Number 2, you can spend it. Number 3, you can invest it. Foolish people waste money. Average people spend money. Wise people invest money. You have heard of reinvest. You have heard of petty save. You have heard of the houses being sold in PTL. You've heard all the things, and you are sitting down there and asking yourself, what do I need to do? What you need to do now is to act now. Go out there, ask them, if I cannot enter this one, I can enter this one. If I cannot enter this one, I can enter this one. Listen and listen well. All that we are doing is putting systems and structures in place for you to become wealthy. Your mother, your father, your grandmother, your great-grandmother used to save money in Kolo. They brought the Kolo to you. I said the guy should have brought Kolo Alamo. You know, the one with clay. They brought the Kolo, but now we have carried that Kolo now and we have put it into the contemporary world. 1,000 a day. In 1 year, you have 365,000. Even if it's 1,000 a month, in 1 year, you have 12,000. Many of you looking normal now, oh, need 12,000. You don't have 12,000. Many of you now, ordinary 12K you don't have, but you are sitting there looking normal. Hello? If it's 5,000 a month, 5,000 a month in 1 year is 60K. Many of you here, oh, need 60K. So who is fooling who? You can package for anybody, but the real you know yourself. Your grandmother, your great-grandmother, they didn't go to school. Yeah, these are the principles they are practicing. Every day, they save 200 naira. The woman will come and collect. Iyalajo, they do a susu. 12 people will come together. They build houses. Now, you have gone to all the school. Common sense you don't have. So the question now is, foolish people waste money. Average people spend money. Wise people invest money. So are you a fool? Or an average person? Or a wise person?
Thanks for watching the Money Lens. Remember, wealth isn't luck, it's knowledge in motion. If today's video inspired you, hit the like button, share with someone who needs it, and subscribe so you never miss the next strategy for smarter living and earning. See you in the next one.